Late night. There she is, Genesis Coupe. It's like, I think it's like 1 a.m. right now. We are going out on a drive at 1 a.m. Oh, I left my lights on from last time. Yeah, those are my lights. Okay, whatever. There she is though, Genesis Coupe. I just cleaned it like last week. It's not bad. Fixed up the scratches on the rims. Could use another wash, but I think we good for now. I don't think I'm gonna wash it for another week. If anything, I need more tire shine, but it looks good. By the way, we got a new rear bumper. In the last video, I told you guys I cracked it. I got a new one. It's M&S rear bumper, aftermarket. We're gonna put it on like next summer. ISR exhaust. We have, what do we have? Test pipe, mid pipe, catback exhaust. No, I'm missing something. Oh, down pipe, test pipe, mid pipe, catback exhaust, intake, blow valve. That's what you guys are gonna hear in the video. Let's get this cold started. Turn this off. So that's what it sounds like cold started. Honestly, I think I did a very good job of cleaning the car. Oh, never mind. I think this just got dirty right now. I jinxed myself. What the hell? But yeah, you know, it's a clean build for now. Nothing too crazy done to it. Took off the license plate. Blacked out the chrome. That's pretty much it. 175 wheels in the back, Adahan rims. That's mostly it, I guess, for now. Just you know, a clean build. Alright, I think we're good to go. First, oh, let's put the windows down in the basement. Let's wake up everyone. It's a Sunday night, this is not a good idea. From here again. Is that oil? What is that? Oh, that's water. I thought it was all oil. I'm like, that guy has a serious oil leak. Parked far. We're gonna have to reach out. Hey, there we go. See you guys on the road. What's crazy is that I live right beside a police station, so I gotta be very careful. So, what I was saying is, this is another late night drive. Just cause, why not? I had a long week at work. Might as well take a long drive, right? Let's put the windows down. I love hearing my turbo here. That wall echoes everything. Bro, I forget how much power I have sometimes, bro. I've been driving my daily for the last 6 days, bro. It feels amazing. Oh yeah, what's crazy is I learned how to heel toe downshift. I've been trying to learn that forever, bro. I don't know why, but these Genesis Coupe pedals are mounted to the floor. So it's not, okay, we got agreed. I thought we were gonna come to a stop. So yeah, what I was saying is the pedals are mounted to the floor, so it makes it harder for you to get both pedals at once, if you know what I mean. and the brake, I mean the accelerator starts. What the yo, he just went right across. I mean that's completely legal, but felt awkward. What I was saying, let's go back on track, is that the pedal is like weirdly mounted. It's like floor mounted, right? So you can't really like heel toe traditionally, and like you have to do this weird awkward movement with your heel to get both pedals. It's like, I don't know, it was hard, but I think I figured out the trick. I can only do it when I'm like rapidly decelerating, like pressing on the brake. Quick random pull. We have to get shell gas. I was expecting a better price, to be honest, but it's okay. This way you don't have to stand out in the cold. Shell, easy pay, pay at pump. What pump is it? Number 6. 06. 20? Yeah, sure, why not? There we go. Just get outside and start pumping now. You know what? Fuck it, let's go 93. Let's try 93 today. I mean, the tank was practically empty, so it really doesn't make sense. I barely got 16 liters, bro. I barely got 100 kilometers, bro, basically. The Jenny takes how much? 16 liters per 100 kilometers? I barely got 100 kilometers right now. Alright, let's go through some tunnels now. See how it feels with 94. Oh my, already I can feel the, oh my god. Go around, come back, and get into that tunnel too. Bro, it sounds so much more aggressive. Oh, that's a cop. I lied, that is not a cop. Let's go through here. There we go, we got a tunnel up there too. A neutral rev here instead of popping the clutch. Slowly go through here. Yo, do you guys hear that shit? That shit did not sound like that on Petro 94. That shit did not sound like that on Petro 94, bro. But I want to get one where I'm shifting gears. Alright, ready? Round 2. Yo, 94, 93 might be the way. Why do I keep saying 90? Oh my god, that's a cop. Alright, wait. One more time. I think the cop's chill, bro. I don't think he cares. That's definitely an undercover, right? We're just gonna slowly go by him and see what's up. Yeah, that's definitely an undercover, bro. Just chilling in the lot. It's a Charger. It's whatever. Alright. One more time. Ready? Bro, if that doesn't make you love Jenny's, I don't know what will, bro. Gotta creep up a little. How we could. Here we go. Ready? Yo. That's beautiful, bro. That's so beautiful. I can't wait to get a tune. This is without a tune, bro. I'm just banging gears right now. That's all I'm doing. Now we can go on a relaxing cruise. it's burbling. Shit is yo, what? Opinion, this is the best street for a midnight cruise. It's like I mean, it's a neighborhood. I feel bad at the end of the day, but it's just such a like calming street, bro. And during fall, these trees, they start like losing their leaves and changing their color, and it's like, wow, bro. I'll come back here again in fall so you guys can see what's up. I'll probably come back in like in the daytime too, so you guys can actually see what's up. We got another underpass going up. Here we go. We already know what to do. Pop it in neutral for this time. That's nice. And look at the hills too. Like it just goes up and down, up and down. This is the closest thing to country roads you get, bro. Especially in the GTA. That's for sure. Alright guys, so that was our, let's just upshift so we don't have to hear about the drone. Alright guys, so that was our weekly video. Let me know what you guys want to hear, or what you guys want to see more. If you guys want me to shut up and just drive, or if you guys enjoy my yapping while I drive and my reactions while I drive. We'll get a tune soon. I keep saying this every video. I will get a tune. Just subscribe and you guys are gonna see that I will have a tune. If you guys really like my content, bro, please give a like. Comment down what car you have or what car you want to get. And alright guys, I'll see you guys next week.